Burnout, in a nutshell, is your body saying it's had too much stress. Over time, if we are too stressed out for too long, our bodies can go into shutdown mode. This is likely a key sign to practice self-compassion. If you've been feeling overwhelmed, on edge, or on a high alert for too long, your body may protect itself by starting to feel nothing. True recovery involves rest, setting boundaries, and rebuilding energy by prioritizing self-care. That's why today our focus is burnout recovery. Hello all, welcome back to Thoughtful Thursdays. I am Johannes, your on-site life coach. May is Women's Health Awareness Month. Burnout recovery requires shifting from proving our worth to showing up for ourselves. Recognizing that exhaustion is not a personal failure, but a signal to change our stress response. Here are strategies for burnout recovery. One strategy for burnout recovery is reducing cortisol. Cortisol is the stress hormone made in the adrenal glands. Cortisol is elevated when we experience heightened anxiety or physical or emotional stress, and it can be lowered when we're in a relaxed state. When cortisol levels rise, the body's energy goes into a mode of handling the stressor instead of regulating other bodily functions like digestive and immune systems, for example. Acute stress coupled with long-term stress and anxiety can be detrimental for both physical and mental health. Reducing our stress is easier said than done, but there are several ways to lower cortisol levels and maintain a state of calm during times of heightened stress. Some examples include eating a balanced diet with fruit and vegetables because fiber helps regulate gut bacteria. Practice deep breathing exercises for a few minutes a day to reduce your heart rate and ease anxiousness. It's also important to reduce caffeine intake and get adequate sleep. Another strategy for burnout recovery is to recognize burnout signs. Common signs of burnout include constant exhaustion, no matter how much rest you receive, dreading responsibilities you once enjoyed, feeling detached, unmotivated, or emotionally numb, struggling to focus or making more mistakes than usual, feeling irritable, anxious, or overwhelmed more often than not. Also having frequent physical symptoms like headaches, digestive issues, or muscle tension. Burnout can look different for everyone, but it can lead to serious physical, mental, and emotional effects. When we're experiencing prolonged fatigue, questioning whether we enjoy what we're doing, mood swings, and changes in our eating and/or sleeping patterns, it's a good idea to reach out to your EAP support systems to help guide you through prolonged periods of stress. Another strategy for burnout recovery is to build resilience. While each person may find unique ways to foster and build resilience, certain aspects are relevant to each of us. Reflection about personal values and finding meaning in our work can be great contributors. Helping to move this city and maintaining the consistency of helping people get to school, work, doctor's appointments, and travel plans is a function that often doesn't get enough thanks, but we would not function better without it. Building resilience and other aspects of our lives may include self-care, mindful awareness, having autonomy, and community. This may require us to do some self-evaluation. This can help us to cultivate community, align our values, and strengthen cultures, better work-life integration, and become more aware of what self-care looks like for us so we can truly recover. By fostering supportive environments and promoting resilience, we can mitigate the adverse effects of burnout and enhance collective well-being. Burnout recovery is a journey that requires patience and commitment. By prioritizing rest, reconnecting with your values, and seeking support, you can rebuild your energy and resilience. If you are struggling to navigate burnout, your HR wellness team is here to help. Take the first step toward recovery and reclaiming your well-being. Thanks for tuning in. Please like, subscribe, and comment on our video. We'll see you next time.